I was going to make a Christmas project with you. However, something so spectacular happened that I just had to share it with you. So sit back and let me tell you the story about how Nature's Garden's fragrance oils cheered up the folks at the North Pole.
Ho, 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 ho! Ho, ho, ho! Elves, come here and take this to the Polar Express for me, will you?
Yes, Santa.
Fragrance and fun for everyone at Nature's Garden. Melissa speaking.
Ho, ho, ho! This is Santa Claus. Merry Christmas.
Oh, how fun. We love creative people with holiday spirit. What can I do for you today, Santa Claus?
Just the person I wanted to talk to. I love your Whip It Up videos on YouTube.
Oh, I'm so glad you love them.
Wondering if you'd be willing to come to the North Pole to cheer everyone up and inspire creativity.
Sure.
Outstanding. I'm sending you something now.
Okay. Dear Melissa, raise your golden spatula and say those famous words you always say. Santa Claus. Let's whip it up. Where am I? This is the North Pole? Hi, I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden.
Well, welcome to the North Pole. Come on in, dearie. So, I know who you are. I watch your videos on YouTube all the time. How did you get here?
Santa sent me with this golden spatula. He thought that I can inspire some creativity and holiday cheer.
Oh my gosh, that is so nice of him to do for us. It's been such a hard year, and by the looks of me, I've been wearing the same ensemble for 500 years. So what do you have planned?
I thought that we could make some bath cookies using our Claus Cookies Fragrance Oils, which are inspired by your delicious cookies.
Oh, you're awesome. What can you do about this look?
I think we need to sparkle you up.
Sounds good. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I've got dark hair again. Beautiful gown. What are we doing next?
Let's go make some bath cookies.
Fabulous.
All right. So I proceeded to make bath cookies with the iconic Mrs. Claus. I'm pretty sure we're besties now. Okay, so Mrs. Claus, today I thought we would make some bath cookies to really treat yourself. What they are a combination of several oils and butters. We have some kaolin clay that we're adding in, some powdered buttermilk, and then we have a combination of baking soda. We have cornstarch and Epsom salt, along with some citric acid, so they're also going to fizz.
Oh, fabulous.
All right. Do you want to go ahead and get started?
Absolutely. Let's whip it up. North Pole style, darling. looks like we're done.
Yes.
That.
What do you think?
Oh, I can't wait to have a spa day with these bath cookies.
So exciting.
So excited you helped me today and cheered up my bad mood that I've had all year long.
Oh, I'm so glad I could help.
So grateful. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
So, what are you going to do now?
I have no idea.
Well, let me give you a hint.
Okay.
You have a magic spatula that Santa gave you.
Yes.
All you have to do is say your magic words, and you'll be transported to the next person that needs to be cheered up and given creativity like you've given me.
Really?
Yeah,
Should I give it a try?
absolutely.
All right, let's whip it up. So as if making bath cookies with Mrs. Claus was not fabulous enough, the magic spatula took me to see the Sugar Plum Fairy, and we used fragrance to brighten her mood. Hello? Hello, is anybody here?
Oh, hi.
Hi, are you the Sugar Plum Fairy?
More like the Sour Plum Fairy anymore.
Oh, well, I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden. Mrs. Claus sent me. She thought maybe I could brighten your day. Would you like to make a candle with me? We have a very special fragrance named just after you.
Oh, cool. Is it really named after me?
It sure is. Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy.
Can we really make a candle out of it?
Absolutely. But first, I think we might need to brighten it up in here.
All right.
All right, let's go whip up a candle.
All right, that sounds fun.
You
Can
wanna
I
smell
smell
it? All right, so we're ready to make a candle. Are you so excited?
This is gonna be so fun.
I know, right? Let's put some gloves on. So we were very inspired by your sugar plum tree and your candy area. So we wanted to make something bright and colorful fitting for the Sugar Plum Fairy.
All right. Well, what do we do first?
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. The season's greetings, happy meetings. Oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before.
Now that we've poured our joy wax, we just simply need to let them set up, and then we'll let them cure for a few days. We'll come back, we'll trim our wicks, and then our candle will be ready to use.
All right, I can hardly wait. I'll see you then.
All right, can't wait.
Hi, Melissa. I'm so glad you came. These smell so good.
I'm so glad you like them.
Thank you so much for inspiring me to make these super sweet candles.
I'm so glad I could brighten your day. How about we trim your wicks and light some candles?
Absolutely.
All right. There we are. All right, well, you enjoy your candles. I'm gonna go ahead and see who else needs help here at the North Pole.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's whip it up! So, did you know Mrs. Claus has a daughter? She sure does. Her name is Coco Claus. And that's where the spatula took me next.
With a name like Coco Claus, you think it'd at least make a good cup of hot cocoa.
Hi, are you Coco Claus?
Yeah.
How are you doing today?
Well, 2020 hasn't been so hot, if you know what I mean. I used to be the queen of hot cocoa and fabulous decorating here at the North Pole. But my hot cocoa's a mess, and my decorating skills are seriously lacking. Who did you say you were?
I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden. Santa Claus transported me here, if you will. He wants me to inspire everyone and spread some holiday cheer. He even sent me with this magic spatula to really kick things up a notch.
Oh yes, darling, I have heard of Nature's Garden. I watched you make a hot fudge brownie bubble bar on YouTube a few weeks ago. You are fabulously creative and fun. Can you help me get out of this rut that I'm in?
I thought you'd never ask. But first, let's bling you up.
Oh yes, I like your style. I'm beginning to feel happier. How do you plan to inspire me today?
We have just the fragrance for you. Nature's Garden's Hot Cocoa Fragrance Oil. How about we make some bath bombs?
That sounds incredible.
All right, let's get everything ready for our bath bombs. Okay, so now we have everything prepared for our bath bombs. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first though, you don't want to mess up your nails. So take off your jewelry, get rid of your purse, and we'll put some gloves on. So we proceeded to make hot cocoa bath bombs together.
Inspired me to be my creative self again. Let's see if I have my glam decorating skills back. Yay, I'm so excited. What do you think?
Your tree is truly breathtaking. I'm gonna let you go so you can get to decorating and take a nice hot cocoa bath. And I'm gonna go inspire more people at the North Pole. But thank you so much for making hot cocoa bath bombs with me.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Loved every second.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Let's whip it up! Next, I went on a magic spatula ride to visit the quintessential Ice Princess.
I can't find my crown anywhere, and it's such a mess in here. Come on, we have to find my crown. Come on, baby elf.
Hi, I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden.
Hello.
Hi, Santa sent me. He was hoping I could inspire some creativity and spread a little Christmas cheer.
Well, I can't find my crown anywhere.
I'm so sorry. Maybe I can help.
Oh,
Here you go.
thank you. It's beautiful.
You are so welcome. So I was thinking we have this really great fragrance oil called Frost and Snowdrops, and it just made me think of you. Would you like to make some soap with me?
Yes, I'd love to.
Awesome, let's go. Okay, so we were really inspired to use a fragrance with you called Frost and Snowdrops. We thought we could make the perfect soap. It's going to be a cold process soap. Have you ever made soap?
No.
All right, so there's first time for everything, right? Okay, so we're gonna do a cold process soap loaf, and then we're gonna top it with melt and pour embeds and some mica diamond dust. It will look very pretty and very icy.
Love it.
Which I thought you might. Yes, I made beautifully scented soap with the queen of bling.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings. Oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in
All right. And there you have it. That is how you make cold process soap. What do you think?
Thank you so much. This was so great to learn.
Did I get to cheer you up a little bit?
Cheered me up so much, and I want to give you my crown. Thank you for giving me so much Christmas cheer.
Oh, thank you so much. Let's whip it up! After making the North Pole smell amazing and cheering everyone up, I needed to figure out how to get back to nature's garden. Wow, look at the fragrance tree the elves decorated in honor of nature's garden. Hi guys, I just love your fragrance tree. It's so cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm kind of trying to figure out how to get home. Do you think you could help me?
Yeah, I think I can help you. Thank you for setting us up.
You are so welcome. What is this? Home for the holidays. Dear Melissa, thank you for inspiring creativity and bringing back our Christmas cheer here at the North Pole. Christmas only comes one time a year, but my hope is that Nature's Garden will continue to spread creativity and Christmas cheer all year long. Santa Claus. Absolutely, Santa. So that is the story of how Nature's Garden visited the North Pole and spread a little Christmas cheer and inspired creativity. It really does smell good there now. We would like to take a moment to say thank you to our customers for inspiring us every day to be the best that we can be. We wouldn't be here without you. We appreciate you supporting a small family-owned business like Nature's Garden. We couldn't do it without you. Now, if you'd like a chance to win all of the ingredients used in one of the recipes today, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, you like the video, and comment below. Let us know which one is your favorite. And you will be entered to win a prize with all of the ingredients used in one of the recipes so that you can make it yourself. We will pick winners randomly on February 1st of 2021. Now, until next time, we will see you later. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, guys.